Welcome to my channel Learn with Hanam. So let's start. Which civilization is the oldest in the world? Your time starts now. Mesopotamian civilization is the correct answer. Egypt is also called what? Your time starts now. Gift of Nile is the correct answer. The potter's wheel was first used in this civilization. Your time starts now. Mesopotamian civilization is the correct answer. The first Olympic Games were held in. Your time starts now. (776 BC is the correct answer. Who is known as the father of history? Your time starts now. Herodotus is the correct answer. When did the Reformation movement start? Your time starts now. (1517) is the correct answer. The Industrial Revolution started in. Your time starts now. (1760) is the correct answer. Where did the Industrial Revolution first start? Your time starts now. Great Britain is the correct answer. Which year did Christopher Columbus discovered America? Your time starts now. (1492) is the correct answer. The Reformation movement was started by whom? Your time starts now. Martin Luther is the correct answer. The American War of Independence was fought from dash to dash. Your time starts now. From 1775 to 1783 is the correct answer. Whose reign was the king during the French Revolution? Your time starts now. Louis XVI is the correct answer. Which treaty acknowledges the independence of America? Your time starts now. Treaty of Paris is the correct answer. The Soviet Union was made up of dash republics. Your time starts now. 15 republics is the correct answer. Who was the revolutionary behind the unification of Italy? Your time starts now. Giuseppe Garibaldi is the correct answer. What was the policy used by Bismarck during the unification of Germany? Your time starts now. Blood and iron is the correct answer. Which nation was standing neutral during the First World War? Your time starts now. Norway is the correct answer. The first ever president appointed in the United States of America was. Your time starts now. George Washington is the correct answer. Which ideology was being established and popularized during the Russian Revolution? Your time starts now. Marxism is the correct answer. Who presided as the king during the Russian Revolution? Your time starts now. Nicholas II is the correct answer. It's all done. Now let me know about your marks in the comment section with your name. Okay? And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.